So today, the Northeast Student Society, Delhi University, along with Delhi Changma Student Union, Tripura Student Forum Delhi, as well as Naga Student Union Delhi, is organizing a peaceful march in order to remember our brother. So before that, I want to give a short introduction about what happened on that day when our beloved Angel Chakma was stabbed. It was on 9th of December 2025, around 6 to 7 p.m. Michael, his brother, along with his brother Angel Chakma, went out to buy groceries. A group of 6 men started calling out names, racial slurs, racial attacking them. So there was a confrontation between them. At that note, those 6 accused stabbed Angel Chakma on his back twice and hit him on his head with an iron rod. Immediately he was taken to the hospital by his brother Michael Chakma to the Graphic Era Hospital. So on 12th of December 2025, an FIR was lodged. And then after 17 days in ICU, our brother Angel Chakma succumbed to his injuries. So here we see that it's a clear case of medical legal case, MLC case. So why, according to this, the hospital must have informed the case to the police. So why there is lack of 3 days, why only after 3 days the FIR was filed, not on that day itself, that is 9th of December, why the FIR was filed on 12th, if the hospital has informed the police. Or suppose if the hospital has not informed the police, then the hospital must be held accountable for this, and they should take full responsibility. And again on 10th of December 2025, Michael, along with his Northeastern friends, went to Solanki police station to file an FIR. But they were driven out and no FIR was filed. This fact can be verified by the CCTV camera that is installed in front of the police station. And again, the same thing happened on 11 itself. No FIR was filed. And then after constant pressure from certain Northeastern organizations, student organizations, FIR was finally filed on 12th of December and around 12th. So there is constant lack of duty of Uttarakhand police. So we, like Uttarakhand police, should release this statement, should answer to this. They are held answerable for this thing. So before we have seen, like in 2014, we have seen Nido Tanyam, who faced the same thing as Angel Chakma due to these racial attacks. He died there that time. So today it's Angel Chakma. Tomorrow it could be anyone. It could be me. It could be you or you. Anyone present over here. So we are also Indians. We are nothing less. Maybe even in the field of sports, in the field of education, or in the field of arts and culture, we are nothing less. We have the same potential. We have more potential than anyone. But the field we scared now is that we are not feel protected. We are afraid to walk alone in the streets at night because anytime it might happen. This kind of racial attacks, it might happen anytime, anywhere in India. So it's my humble request to the government of India as well as to the lawmakers of this great nation India that please make one law to protect the Northeastern people, the Northeastern students living in any region of this country. Please make one law to protect us from this racial discrimination, to protect us from these hate crimes. Please make one law. This is my humble request to the government of India.
तो लोगों को ये क्यों नहीं अब तक एहसास नहीं है कि why they don't realize this कि हम भी इंडियन हैं, आपसे ज़्यादा इंडियन हैं हम। जब पाकिस्तान में हमारा सोल्जर मारते हैं हम भी इतने ही खुश होते हैं जितना आप लोग खुश होते हैं। तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो भी इंडियन गवर्नमेंट है उन सबको एक अच्छा रूल, एक स्ट्रिक्ट रूल होनी चाहिए ताकि इंडियन नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडियंस की रक्षा हो, हमारा आइडेंटिटी का रक्षा हो। अभी फिलहाल रिसेंटली बांग्लादेश क्या कर रहा है, बोल रहे कि ग्रेटर बांग्लादेश बनाएंगे, तब रियल ऐसा वायरल होने लगी कि 7 सिस्टर एंड 21 ब्रदर्स, ये हमारा ब्रदर जो हमारे भाई को ही मार देता है, ये हमारा ब्रदर। हम यहाँ खुद के घर में सेफ नहीं है और ये लोग बोल रहे कि हम आपको बांग्लादेश से बचाएंगे। वी आर सो डिसअपॉइंटेड, पहले भी डिसअपॉइंटेड था और हम कब तक सहेंगे ऐसे। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ ये क्राउड देख के आज के हम सब आए यहाँ पे हमारे भाई के लिए, और भाई क्यों अगर फ्यूचर में ऐसा हो और इकट्ठे होएंगे हम। तो मैं बस सबको यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम भी इंडियंस हैं और जितना जो हुआ है हम सबको दुख है और ये आगे होना नहीं चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।
Everyone in this country know that there should be no more Angel Chakmas. Today I have a very specific demand also, that the government of India in its law books has a specific provision for crimes against the scheduled caste community. There are certain casteist slurs. If those casteist slurs are made against a person belonging to the scheduled caste community, then the strictest punishment is given. I demand that in the same manner, if a person from Northeast is ever called Chinese in the future, they should get the same punishment. The perpetrator should get the same punishment. And the same way that saying some casteist slur, some words are unobjectionable and they attract the strictest punishment, similarly, a racial slur against the people of Northeast India should attract the same quantum of punishment. I only hope that we continue to remain united, and I'm glad that all of you have taken the trouble to come out today. You are standing not just for Angel Chakma, you are standing for yourself. You are standing for yourself, for your brothers, for your sisters, for your fathers, for your mothers, for the generations that have gone before us, and for the generations that will come after us. I'm with you as a brother, as a friend, and as a representative of the Northeast in the Parliament of India. With that, I stand with all of you. Thank you very much.
मैं इस वक्त जंतर मंतर नई दिल्ली पर मौजूद हूँ, जहाँ आज नॉर्थ स्टूडेंट सोसाइटी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से एक शांतिपूर्ण प्रोटेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया। एंजल चकमा के लिए इंसाफ की मांग को लेकर एंजल चकमा त्रिपुरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया से आने वाले एक युवा स्टूडेंट थे, जिनकी मौत एलिजली एट रेशियल अटैक की बात हुए। ये घटना सिर्फ एक इंडिविजुअल केस नहीं है, बल्कि देश के कई हिस्सों में नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोगों के खिलाफ हो रहे रेसिज्म और डिस्क्रिमिनेशन की एक कड़वी सच्चाई को उजागर करती है। इस प्रोटेस्ट के जरिए स्टूडेंट्स रेशियल वायलेंस और हेट क्राइम्स की निंदा कर रहे हैं और एंजल चकमा केस में स्विफ्ट और ट्रांसपेरेंट जस्टिस की मांग कर रहे हैं। साथ ही वो सरकार और अथॉरिटीज से मजबूत कानूनी और सामाजिक कदम उठाने की अपील कर रहे हैं, ताकि नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोगों की सुरक्षा, सम्मान और बराबरी सुनिश्चित की जा सके। प्रोटेस्ट पूरी तरह शांति है। स्टूडेंट्स प्ले कार्ड्स के साथ इंसाफ और इक्वालिटी के नारे लगा रहे हैं। ऑर्गेनाइजर्स का कहना है कि ये आवाज़ सिर्फ एंजल चकमा के लिए नहीं, बल्कि पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए है। जंतर मंतर नई दिल्ली से मैं थोजत अलनक्रो, सुदर्शन न्यूज़ चैनल के लिए कैमरा पर्सन जितेंद्र पाल के साथ।